Welcome to day 20, Stodola Pumpa. Stodola in Czech means barn, and this is a very fast, upbeat song. The pattern is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and that pattern repeats most of the time. I'm going to play the melody and then the harmony. Here we go. 1, 2. Harmony. 1, 2. The place where people will make a mistake is not using the B flat in the harmony. B flat, B natural, B flat, B natural. This is also an alternative B natural. So play B flat on the second line. Have a great day. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button. Thanks!